async project demo take 2. My name is Ashok Bhargav and I'm trying to record this demonstration since I'm supposed to give a demonstration by the end of the day today. I'm a distance learning student. The time is just about 9 p.m. Google will tell us the time. The time is about 8:57 p.m. here. So basically, this is I'll give the part 2. If you are having trouble with watching this video, kindly watch it either in real audio or the Apple's QuickTime. Sometimes Microsoft Player sometimes has problems. Uh, uh, so basically, I'll try and give the part 2 first because it's quite simple. Basically, it's asynchronous framework demonstration, and it's similar to pretty close to all the other students who given. Basically, there are two services, OP31 and OP21. OP31 is set to 150 thousand seconds or 15 milliseconds or 15 seconds, and OP21 is set to 10 milliseconds. And supposing if I run the client, which is basically a very simple form, go and execute it. Since it's set to 15 and 20, the synchronous output should be about 15 plus 15 plus 10, which should be 25, and asynchronous, since it's done parallelly, it should be the bigger of the two, so it should be 15 seconds. Sometimes I've noticed, especially when I compile, it's off like by a second or two. So I also noticed that if you look at the question board on VLT, there are quite a few other students who are complaining that about the same thing too. But hopefully I compiled it earlier. I've tried it once. Hopefully it'll give the yes. It took 20 seconds in asynchronous mode and 25 seconds in synchronous mode, which was what we were expecting. So if you look at the code, the way it's implemented is basically when OP7 sync is called, in the asynchronous mode, I launched 2 threads. So the 21 and 22 are 2 web services. So I launched both of them. So I just continue to wait until both the services are done. So once both are done, I make a note of the time before the services start, and I make a note of the end time also, and return the time difference or the time span. So in the synchronous is quite simple. I just make 2, just like any other procedure calls. Make 1 call and initiate 2 services. Make 1 call, and after you get the results, make the second call, and note the start time and note the end time, and report the time span. So in the actually in the client, it's a very simple call. So you just make it, and you get the result from both sync and async, and I'm returning it together, what you just saw. So this is part 1. I'll just complete the part 2. I tried uploading it earlier, but Google Mail has some space limit, so I had to cut it into multiple pieces.